After the departure of former defensive backs coach Joe Namath III, the Cardinals needed a new man for the job.
Name's Peter Davila. I'm originally from Miami, Florida. Went to college at Youngstown State University, played football at Youngstown State University. I was a member of 2 national championship teams, 1994 and 1997. Joe Namath is the one that's responsible for bringing me to Otterbein. He had always told me if something ever came available where he was at, he was going to recommend me for it. He recommended me for a graduate assistant position for the 2011 season. I didn't get it that year, but that's okay. God works in mysterious ways. But he led my path to Otterbein for the 2012 season.
Not long after being hired here at Otterbein, Coach Davila was also presented with another opportunity.
I've been fortunate enough to be awarded the Bill Walsh Minority Internship with the NFL. It's something that he did when he was with the San Francisco 49ers to bring up-and-coming minority coaches to give them opportunities in NFL positions. I've been chosen to work with the Minnesota Vikings this summer. I think it's only a tribute to the guys that have played for me and the guys that have went out on the field and worked their tails off to win football games that I've gotten this opportunity, so I'm humbled by it. Just looking forward to going to Minneapolis and learning from some of the best.
Coach Davila will look to help the Cardinals improve on last year's 8-2 record as they kick off the season on September 7th.